So I've had the GX1 for about a month or two now. I'm not counting January or much of February because it's been really snowy and rainy and cold, so I have not been running to ride it around as much. This footage is from December when I got out on my last ride.
Your boys in a little bit.
I think I should have brought my other gloves. While there are a couple of things that I would like to tune up or see, built differently on the GX1, I really do like it, and it really is a really robust electric scooter, and something that I feel like was a good first-time purchase. There's just a couple of things about it that I wish were different, and maybe would have been satisfied by a different model, but then I also don't know if it would have been as robust as what I've gotten right now. So the number one issue that I have with it is the weight. At about 60 pounds, it's not like a comfortable vehicle to kind of take out of my apartment, go down a step, and then set up and stuff. I really wish I had like a garage to kind of wheel it into, or someplace outside that I could keep it, but for my personal living space, it's not something that I'm able to do. So I do wish it was a little bit lighter, just because I'm using it for more of like getting around the city, commuting to work, and some things like that, running to the store. And I think they really modeled, or at least they've advertised this model as being more of your like go out on the trail, go on, go off road, and some stuff like that, which is totally cool and totally valid. And I liked it because that meant that it was going to be really robust for my city, going around, getting around potholes and really steep hills and all this sort of thing. So that was really appealing, and it really does do that. It's done a good job, but I really wish that it just came in a little bit of a lighter package. I did try to put some like a harness onto it, but it didn't really help. It was much easier just to grab it by the back and by the handlebars and just get it out that way. The second thing that I don't love, although there are solutions to it, is the throttle is hard to get variable when you already have it in its max like power and speed mode. It's much easier to control your speed by switching off of the most, robust mode that it has. It has like a 30 mile per hour, 20 mile per hour, and 15 mile per hour mode, I believe. And so it's easier if you want, sometimes you want to go 15 miles per hour to kind of cruise, or you're going through a park where there's a lot of people and you're not trying to go 30 miles per hour. Or sometimes the wind is just nicer at that speed rather than at 30. So there's reasons to do that, but it's harder to kind of like, let up on the throttle to sort of control your speed than it is to just switch to a different mode where that is the limit and just hold the throttle all the way down. But like I said, everything else about it has been really nice so far. It came well constructed. I tightened everything up and moved everything around, and it was, easy to do. Didn't really present a problem. I feel comfortable riding it at night because of all the illumination that it has, and the headlight is pretty good. If this wasn't someone's estate, I would want to drive through that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.